Hello, I am Mattia Bocci and this is the technical presentation of ArTeller, a project made for the IoT course 2020 at Sapienza University. I am together with Marco Cerino and Giuliano Martinelli. Let's start by describing the involved physical components. We chose to use an STM32F769i Discovery because the task required a Cortex-M processor, and this board offers also a built-in Ethernet port, two audio line jacks, 4 microphones, and it has a set of pins which are fully compatible with Arduino. We decided to employ HY-SRF05 ultrasonic sensors because they offer a pretty precise distance measure while having a relatively low cost. Let's have a look at the architecture of the project now. The two proximity sensors are located on the artwork at different heights. The basic idea is that a kid will trigger only the lower one, while an adult will trigger both of them. Under this assumption, based on how the system is triggered, it plays the right audio guide. There's one for the adults and one for the kids. Interaction data will be sent to ThingsBoard for insight extraction. We are planning to exploit the microphones located on our board in order to have a feature called Message in the Bottle, in which, using a button, the user will be able to record a message concerning the opera. Our board will run BedOS. In particular, at first it will use the Ethernet port to connect to the Internet, supported by the DHCP protocol. Through the Internet connection, the board will establish an MQTT connection with ThingsBoard. In this slide, we can see that the sensors are connected through the board's pins to our STM32 and are accessed through embed. At this point, the firmware will run a distance check algorithm on both sensors. The output will trigger the right audio guide and eventually an MQTT message to ThingsBoard. Finally, through ThingsBoard, we will display the retrieved values and extract useful statistics about the engagement rate of the operas. All of this data will be available for the museum manager on a dashboard. Now we will see a brief demonstration of what we managed to build so far. Now we can see that the sensor is connected and the board is establishing a connection with the DHCP, with the router. Done. Now an MQTT session has started with ThingsBoard and the sensor is retrieving the values. Now the hand is closer, so the values are smaller. And now the message has been triggered. The message will show as expected on the dashboard in ThingsBoard here. Thanks for the attention.